Hi, so this is the review of the assessment Brigance Comprehensive Inventory of Basic Skills number 2 by Sandra Esquivias. So this is how the assessment looks like. In the front we have the assessments, the record book for the teacher. Then we have the math, and then we have the reading in the back. So what is the Brigance? So it includes nearly 400 assessments that make it easy for special educators to identify present levels of performance, present levels of academic achievement, and functional performance for students. It provides ongoing assessments of academic skills at grades K through 9. It determines present level of page in the IEP, develops goals and objectives for the IEPs, target instruction, monitor student progress, and support alternative assessment needs. So the Brigance can help any special education program meet IDEA requirements and effectively support the success of students with special needs in school. Most programs serving students with special needs are required to determine present levels of performance, provide instructional objectives for an ongoing IEP, consult regularly with parent or guardian, provide for inclusion in the regular instructional program, provide non-discriminatory testing, and support alternative assessment needs. So what is the cost of the Brigance? It starts at $339, and this is the kit. So then it includes the reading ELA inventory, the math inventory, 20 record books, and a tube to carry all the assessments. So administration of the assessment. It's a 5-step process. Step 1, getting ready for the assessment. Step 2, conduct the assessment. Step 3, record the results in the record book. Step 4, analyze results. And step 5, identify the next steps. The first step is getting ready for the assessment. It's recommended for the teacher to become familiar with the assessment procedures, choose the proper environment, eliminate distractions, and deciding which skills areas to assess, and selecting the most appropriate skill level within each assessment. Step 2, conduct the assessment. Introduce the assessment to the student in advance. Use verbal reinforcement. Keep the record book on your lap. Be careful not to gaze at the correct choice. Do not prompt students with reminders. Step 3, record the results in the record book. By using pens or pencils of different colors to record assessment data, a color-coded record is developed. A color code record is ongoing, graphic, and easily interpreted. The record keeping system can be color-coded in order to track the progress of an individual student, communicate information in the parent conference, communicate student data to the other personnel. Step 4, analyze results. When interpreting the Brigance assessment results, it is important to consider the student's health, environment, cultural factors that can impact the performance, observations that were recorded at the time of the assessment, and more in-depth assessments. Step 5, identifying the next steps. After the assessment has been completed, the information gathered can serve many purposes. Common uses of the Brigance in special education programs are to identify present levels of academic achievement and functional performance, to provide additional assessments with the supplemental and related list skill sequences, to identify instructional objectives and activities, and to provide ongoing assessments and progress student monitoring.